What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Power Bill Show. Aquí on today's episode, we're gonna be unboxing this Ridge Slim wallet that I got today from Ridge. Yeah, down on my loan, and I got this key case too. So, yeah, let's start. Well, here you go, guys. Expands to hold 1 to 12 cards, RFID blocking, modular design, backed by lifetime warranty. We can do a day. Let's see. I'll make a show. Got a sticker. That's nice. Yeah. I got this titanium. Wow, that's nice. Oh, it comes with its own screwdriver also. Additional T-Frike torque screws. Oh, it comes with extra screws just in case. That's nice. Got here some cards. I was checking out my cards just so the numbers won't show. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we got 6 cards here. It's to take a hold up to 12. So, wow, it's nice. Look, and it feels tight. Cards don't slip out. And then you got, says here to hold money. Like a money clip style. Or like this. Not bad. Compact, slim design. Look. The cards and your money. I don't know. Compact design. Let's look at the key case. Vamos a ver. I got this. Oh wow, it's nice. This is to hold the keys. You put the keys in here. And that's really nice. And this is like this is to take this off for the keys. Look. I'm gonna go ahead and install some keys so I could just try it out. We got some keys right here. I'm gonna go ahead and try one key just to see how it is and go from there. This is like a kit, even though it comes all together. It's raining outside. You can hear the rain. You see the key here? To open anywhere. And fold it, you put it back. Put it back. Got a clip to put in your pocket. And here you can put more stuff. Maybe like a keychain. Yeah, I think it's nice. I could probably put all my keys in here. Got all the keys. What do I have here? For the other shop keys. looks badass. Look. Nice. It's a pretty nice edge, but I really like this. I like the titanium color. They sell them in carbon fiber, and they have a bunch of whole colors. I'm gonna be posting. I'm gonna tag them right down in the description, and I'll probably post the website address on the comments. Just go ahead and check them out. Ridge.com. They got a bunch of different colors. Look, carbon fiber, blue, black, orange, white with gold, black with gold, GT carbon, forged ember, blue, American flag, all burnt Damascus. That's like titanium but with a different thing. Look like the TV. So go ahead and check them out, guys. It's pretty cool. Fierro.